I feel happy about today. I feel excited for showing my parents around the school, and I feel excited to be in the boys' prep and the lessons we're going to do and how much fun we're going to have.
I feel happy because I get to show my parents what I do on a daily basis. And drama is one of my favorite things to do, so I can't wait to start.